Bilabial cooking show. Today, I'm going to show you how to make black rice mixed with white rice, also known as purple rice. This is my own ratio: 3 cups of white rice, 1 cup of sweet rice, and 1 cup of black rice. With this mix, the cooked rice will come out as a deep purple color. If you want a lighter purple, just reduce the amount of black rice. You can also skip the sweet rice if you prefer a less sticky texture. Now, rinse the rice about 3 to 4 times until the water runs clearer. Next, add water to the pot about 1 to 1.5 inches above the level of the rice. Here's my trick: add 2 to 3 drops of vinegar. This helps slow down carbohydrate digestion, which makes blood sugar rise more gradually and can improve insulin sensitivity. Then drizzle in a good amount of sesame oil. Sesame oil adds healthy fats and also makes the rice taste much richer, even when you're not in the mood for plain rice. Finally, put everything in your rice cooker and hit the cook button. That's it, your beautiful purple rice is ready. I hope you enjoy this meal. And if you liked this video, please like,